Welcome to the Martin-Gatton College of Agriculture, Food and Environment. We're thrilled to have you join our community. Starting college is an exciting journey filled with new opportunities and experiences. While everything might seem unfamiliar now, rest assured that you have chosen a place that will quickly feel like home.
I try to make it so that our students have a smooth sailing. So it's not about memorizing a bunch of stuff. It's about being passionate and interested.
What people don't realize is how much applications that we can have in both agriculture and medicine.
Engaging in research and hands-on learning is at the heart of what we do. Getting involved in campus life is key to making the most of your college experience. College is the perfect time to explore new interests and discover what you love.
They want to see you succeed, and the College of Agriculture, Food and Environment really helps bridge that gap.
I enjoy watching people grow and develop, and that's what our college does, whether it's our new faculty, our students, our mission areas define us.
As you begin this new chapter, know that you are part of a supportive community, and together we will be with you every step of the way.